Tonight I tried a sketch of Cynthia Texas Promoter, a celebrity of Clapper fame. And so I had done some paintings and drawings of her in the past. They always came out half decent. Today I'm trying the classical approach to sketching, where I started with some lines and then I put some more little lines where I sort of thought the eyes would go and the nose, and so it started out almost had a likeness, I would say, but then just carefully going through there was the end of phase one, and I thought the chin was like a little too small, and so I erased the chin and made it a little lower. And I had little problems. The nostrils were not really correct. I tried to fix those up. The eyes were like way off. Not way off, but pretty far off. And tried to do the hair a little bit. And I don't know if there's a likeness, but there's definitely a pretty girl there, if nothing else.